happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. Don't pay attention to my voice since my throat feels a little bit sore. I hope I'm not getting a cold. Aside from that, in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set up your Google AdSense account, because a week or two ago I promised you guys this video, but I had to sort out a few things, with my manager in order to access, the AdSense account and everything on my own. And I just had a call with him yesterday and he told me a specific way to do it, so that's what I'm gonna teach you guys obviously today. So make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new. Alright guys, so right now we're on Google and I'm going to type in Google AdSense. So we're gonna click on here, and right now it says sign up. If you already have an account, you can just sign in. So let's see what happens if I click sign in. It's gonna be the same as 2 weeks ago or last week. It will just show you guys this, this pop-up that there's no AdSense account linked to my account, because how is there not like an AdSense account linked to my YouTube account? And my manager told me that the AdSense account that my earnings go through is linked to the entire AdSense account of my network itself, and not like every single account that's partnered with them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit sign up, obviously. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in URL of our site. That's gonna be our YouTube channel. So we're gonna just fill in the link of our channel, which is going to be this one. Then we're gonna type in our email address, real simple. And then you can just choose if you want to get like a helpful AdSense info, to that email address. I'm just going to select yes, hit save and continue. Then you want to select your country, which is Belgium in my case, and then we're gonna just read and accept the agreement. And you just want to take the time to read this and understand this. Then we're gonna hit yes, and then we're gonna create the account. Okay, so now we are on our AdSense account, and I have to blur obviously some information. So what we want to do now is we want to basically set up the payment settings, because that's what you guys have been questioning the most. So what we're gonna do first of all is we're going to hit payments. Right here you just want to fill in all the information. Okay guys, so right now it says activating your account, and we have to basically wait for this in order to be activated. So once your account is activated, we can actually proceed to setting everything up, the payment settings. So what we're gonna do from now is next Tuesday, I'm assuming that my account will be approved, and then as you can see, these ones will be clickable, because if I click right here on payments, there is nothing happening. It is still blacked out because my account is not activated yet. So in a few days it should be activated. So this is